Morning students, today I am going to explain IIT Mathematics online test solutions. Students, in the last week we were conducted IIT online exams based on applications of volume and surface areas. Today I will explain some more problems which are related to the question paper. For complete question paper, you can see the description and download it. Okay, children. So, if you observe that question paper, what is the first problem given to you? The formula to find the surface area of a cuboid. First problem. Total surface area of a cuboid is what, children? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the first problem answer. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. If you look at the second problem, find the surface area of a cube whose edge is equal to 3 centimeters. Surface area, that means total surface area of a cube. What is the formula? 6a square. Here edge is how much given, children? 3 centimeters. So 6 into 9, how much? 54 square centimeters. Understand simple answer? Total surface area of a cube equal to 6a square. So here I already given in the question. The value of the edge is equal to 3 centimeters. So 6 into 3 square. 3 square will how much? 9. 6 9s are 54 square centimeters. Okay, children. Next, if you look at the third problem, what is the third problem is given? The surface area of a cuboid shaped box having length 80 centimeters, 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters. So find the total surface area of the cuboid box. So what is the first formula for total surface area of a cuboid box? Okay. So formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. According to given statement, length how much is given? 18. So 2 into 18 into breadth how much is given? 40 centimeters plus 40 into height how much given? 20 centimeters plus length into height. You get 80 into 20. You can simplify the entire problem. 2 into 80 into 40, 3200 plus 40 into 20, 800 plus 80 20 is 1600. You can add all the values. Okay, children. So add the values, right? 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Next, 6 plus 8 how much? 14. 14 plus 2 how much? 16. 6 again 1. 1 plus 1 how much, children? 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5600. If you multiply entire value 11,200 square centimeters. 11,200 square centimeters. This is the third problem solution. If you look at the fourth question, what is the fourth question is given, children here? So look at the fourth question. The volume of a hemisphere whose radius is r. Volume of hemisphere, direct formula. Volume of a hemisphere. What is the formula? Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Understood, children? So look at the fifth question. If the radius of the cylinder is 4 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters, find the total surface area of the cylinder. So, fifth one, total surface area of a cylinder. What is the formula total surface area of the cylinder? We already learned in 5 into r into h plus r. 2 5 r into h plus r because total surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area plus 2 into area of the bases. So curved surface area we know 2 5 r h. Top one circle, down one circle, 5 square, 2 5 square. Take 2 5 common. H plus r. Substitute the value. 2 into 2 by 7 into radius how much is given? Fifth question 4 centimeters. Into h plus r 10 plus 4. If you simplify total value, so what we got it 352 square centimeters square 352 centimeters square. Understood? So similarly, you can look at the sixth problem. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeters is 82 centimeters square. The diameter of the base is. So look at the question number 6. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area formula what we have 2 pi RH. But this value is given in the question only. How much that value? 88 centimeters square. 88 centimeters square. And also here given one value. Height is given. Substitute the values 2 into 22 by 7 into we don't know r. But height how much is given in the question? 14 is equal to 880. Simplify 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 into 2 how much? 44. 44 into 2 into r is equal to 880. Now 44 1s are 44 2s are. So 1. So radius is how much? 1. Hence diameter is how much children? Diameter equal to 2 times of radius. 2 into 1. 2 centimeters. So this is the solution for sixth problem. Understood children? Fifth question what is given? The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 square centimeters. The radius of the base is 0.7 centimeters. The height of the cylinder will be how much? So if you observe the question, curved surface area of the cylinder. How much is given? According to formula which is equal to 4.4 square centimeters. Okay, children. Next, another thing what is given? The radius of the base is given. Radius r equal to how much is given? 0.7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. So what can we find? We will find height is how much? So by using the formula 2 into 22 by 7 into r value 0.7 into h value don't know 4.4. Okay children. So here simplify the value 22 into 2 how much? 44 by 7 into 0.7 into h equal to 4.4. So if you write one more step right for the simplification children, 0.7 not right 7 by 10 into h into 44 by 10. So now 7 7 cancel, 10 10 cancel, 44 cancel. So height is how much? 1 centimeters. This is the solution for seventh problem. Please note it down. So next, what is the eighth question is given children? The diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeters and slant edge is 10 centimeters. The curved surface area. So look at the board children. Eighth one. The diameter of the base of the cone is diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. is equal to how much given? 10.5 centimeters. Next, and its slant height is L is equal to how much is given? 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Next, so curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of a cone. So curved surface area of the cone. Look at the board, children. Remember the formula. If it is a cone, it is height, it is slant height, it is radius. Curved surface area formula 5RL. 5RL is equal to how much, children? Is given. According to question, 5 value 22/7. Next, R value don't know, but diameter equal to 10.5. So R value how to write? 10.5/2. 10.5/2 into slant height how much? 10. Now simplify, children. 22/7 into 105/2. Next, 2 ones are 2 11s are 7 ones are 7 7 5s are 35. Now 11 into 35 multiply 165 centimeters square. Understood, children? Diameter is given, slant height is given, curved surface area of cone formula 5RL. 5 value we know 22/7. R value 10.5/2 because diameter by 2 is the radius into 10. 22/7. 10.5 into 10. You can eliminate the point, decimal point. 10.5/2. That means 105/2. Our simplification got it 165 centimeter square. Okay, children? Please note it down. So next we have question number 9. What is the question number 9? Look at the problem. If a slant height of a cone is 21 centimeters and the diameter of the base is 24 centimeters, then the total surface area of the cone is. First, what is going to note it down? Given that. What is given, children? Slant height L is equal to 21 centimeters and diameter is equal to, diameter means radius of the find half of the diameter 12 centimeters. Next, total surface area of the cone of a cone formula what? 5R into R plus 12. Okay, children? 5 value how much? 22/7. R value 12 into 12 plus 21. Simplify 22/7 into 12 into 12 plus 21 how much? 33. Okay, children? So now you can simplify how much you got it? 144.57 square centimeters. You can simplify. 20 into 12 into 33 multiplied 12 divided by 7. Finally got it 144.57 centimeters square. Next, we have 10th problem. What is the 10th problem is given? The surface area of a sphere is 14 centimeters. Sorry, the surface area of a sphere of radius 14 centimeters is total surface area of a sphere. 4/5R square. 4 into 22/7 into what the radius is given? 14. 14 into 14. Okay, children? So 4 into 22 7 sir 7 2 sir 42 sir 28. If you multiply counter value got it 2464 square centimeters. 2464 square centimeters. Those are the 10 solutions from your IIT Mathematics online examination which was conducted in the last week. The remaining solutions or explanations I will forward in the next video. I will upload in the next video. Please note it down, the solutions, and practice some more examples. I think all of you understood. Thank you, students.